In this video, I will show you how to link a GitHub repository with Android Studio project. Alongside with that, I need to show you some other thing as well. In the GitHub repository, we have a project tab where we can list number of tasks and can manage according to the task status and help us to estimate the progress and shows a direction that where the project is trending. I have already created multiple tasks which I will do in this project. Let me show you. You can see the number of tasks listing down in to do column. So in the progress, I shipped the first task which I will be doing the very first in this project, which is the GitHub repository integration with Android Studio. And also you can see the number of tasks in the to do, like I will be sequentially going one by one in the videos. Like the first one, GitHub repository, second one, Firebase project, and third one, MVVM architecture implementation, and so on. Integrating the GitHub repository with Android Studio. So the first thing I will do is copy the link, go to Android Studio, go to the VCS, click on Enable Version Control Integration. I will select by default Git, okay. Now we'll go to again Git. This time we'll click on Manage Remote plus and paste the copy link which we from the GitHub repository. Press OK and it will check the connection. If the connection is between establish our GitHub account, then it will successfully connected with the remote link. Now our repository is connected with Android Studio. As you can see, all the files become red color because it has not been added to the VCS. Now I will add all the files with having an initial commit. Now it become all green because all the files getting added to the VCS control. Now I will push the code to the master branch. Now I will refresh the GitHub repository and you will see the code. Yes, here we are. So that's how the GitHub repository integration work with Android Studio.